Good morning and welcome to the Daily Outlook for Wednesday, the 14th of September. The euro fell today against its major counterparts as the Eurozone debt crisis continues to deepen. Fears that Greece may be forced into default on its debt, the weak Italian bond auction, and the downgrade of two big French banks by Moody's weighed on the single currency. Focus turns to a conference call between the German Chancellor Merkel, French President Sarkozy, and Greek Prime Minister Papandreou. Against the US dollar, the euro edged to as low as 135.91 from 137.38. The US dollar edged higher today, supported by growing fears of a Greek default. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback rose to 77.06 from the low of 76.80 traded yesterday. Against the Swiss franc, the dollar edged slightly higher to 0.8853 from 87.58. The Australian dollar dropped for a fifth straight day to a 5-week low against the US dollar, weighed by heightened risk aversion in the markets. Concerned about Eurozone's debt crisis and sluggish US economic growth are weighing down on the high-yielding currencies such as the Aussie. The pair dipped to 1.0177 from 1.0370. Sterling hit the 7.5-month low versus the dollar, weighed by comments from Bank of England policymaker Adam Posen. He said that the UK economy is in need of more monetary stimulus and that high inflation is not a threat. Yesterday's data showed that inflation gained 0.6% in August. The pair fell to 1.5739 from 1.5869. The focus now turns to UK jobs data expected at 8:30 GMT. Oil prices ticked higher yesterday to $90.50 a barrel from $87.79, but then surrendered some of their gains today, trading at $88.77. Gold jumped to $1844.64 an ounce from $1794.55 and is trading at $1825.25 today. Silver also rose yesterday to $41.26 an ounce from $40 and is currently trading at $40.80. And now let's move on to the currencies to look out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 137.30 with a preference to enter short positions at 137.20. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 77.10 with a preference to enter short positions at 77.00. The AUD-USD pivot point is at 1.0300 with a preference to enter long positions at 1.0305. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 1.5820 with a preference to enter short positions at 1.5810. The dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9875 with a preference to enter long positions at 98.75. And now let's take a look at commodities. Oil pivot point is at 89.95 with a preference to enter short positions at 89.95. The gold pivot point is at 18.55 with a preference to enter short positions from 18.55. The silver pivot point is at 41.05 with a preference to enter short positions at 41.05. And now let's look at today's calendar and market movers. UK claimant count unemployment change in August is forecast to fall to 35,000. UK ILO unemployment rate in July is forecast to remain unchanged at 7.9%. Europe industrial production in July is forecast to gain 1.5%. US retail sales in August are forecast to gain 0.2%. US producer price index in August is forecast to fall 0.1%. And finally, let's take a look at the equity markets. US equities were trading positive on Tuesday, with the S&P 500 trading up 0.91% and the Dow Jones Industrial Average up at 0.40%. The European bourses were also positive, with the FTSE trading up 0.87%, the DAX up 1.85%, and the CAC up 1.41%. The Nikkei and the Hang Seng at the time of writing are trading down minus 1.23% and minus 1.34% respectively. Thank you for being with us, and we wish you a fantastic trading day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.